Hello friends, I am learning this Laravel tutorial. I get stuck because make out the PHP artisan command is depreciated since Laravel 6. So my goal was to create a directory who can runs my application, in this case admin users, and the way is to create some lines under default Apache server bar www and the name of my project, in this case admin users. The problem is necessary to make some configurations. Under some files as laravel.conf and phpmyadmin.conf. If you have installed LAMP server on Debian, the next step is go to host file, and then in the same line of your IP, your local IP, add the number of the name of your server. In my case, adminusers.test, and to phpmyadmin can to access to the database of this application, I need to name another page or server called phpmyadmin.test, and is in the .env file the parameters you need to put in this case is the database number, your username, and your password to access to MySQL. So under laravel.conf you must to put the server name that you was definite in your ets file, in your host file, in this case adminusers.test. Your document root under the default root of Debian system, in this case bar www. I put the Laravel projects name into admin users, my example app, and here some lines for MySQL. So into phpmyadmin.conf, the same, your IP local, the server name, in this case phpmyadmin.test, and the document root, again var www laravelprojects in this case. I take some notes. Here is running adminusers.test. This is the application. So it works. Here is the login and register. I made the register yet, so I will try to log in. Here where I am logged. I'm going to log out, and phpmyadmin works too. I'm going to log in. This is the database, admin_users. This is the table of users. Here we are. That's it. I hope this configuration